Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. 4 best job portals to land work from home jobs. Number 1. Flexer. This platform verifies companies for their flexibility, ensuring that the remote jobs listed are actually remote. Number 2. Remotive. A job board with hand-picked remote jobs. They also highlight companies that truly support remote work long-term, so you won't get last-minute surprises about returning to the office. Number 3. Nodesk. This more than just a job board. It offers resources on remote work culture and productivity. A great option for those new to remote work. Number 4. Working Nomads. Perfect for freelancers and digital nomads, with high-quality job listings across multiple industries.
If you have any problem, you can comment us. I have a request. If you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.